So next, we want to loop through these birthdays and check if today is one of these birthdays. So let's again import our datetime module, and it's customary to have this at the very start of your code, but you don't have to. And then we'll say today is datetime.datetime.today, and we'll print out today, and we'll go ahead and run this. Okay, and remember yesterday, or last time, we used datetime.datetime.now. I believe that we got the exact same thing, actually. So we're going to, again, convert this to a string. We're going to use split. And each time we have today on the left-hand side of this